Hey YouTube, Wussy Techie here, and I am here again with a tutorial, except this time it's on how to camera track in Adobe After Effects. So this is the final effect you're going to get. And you can put any text you want. So let's get started with this. You need to have some sample video, and so all you basically need to do is sort of make a video of you just walking, and just like that, just like this. Just make a video like that. Doesn't need to be any high quality or anything. So let's quickly get to this. I'm gonna open up After Effects CC. I have the trial version, and I've had it for like 2 days. Alrighty. So once you have it open, all you need to do is drag your clip in. So I'm going to go into my movies. That's where I have my clip, motion tracking clip, and that's where I have it. Now you have to drag it into your workspace, I believe, and now all we need to do over here is so I'm gonna close this. So over here you just go to window and go down to tracker. You just press that and it'll show up the tracker window. Now what we need to do is just click on our video and press track camera. You need to click on this file and press track camera. So I'm gonna speed this up a bit because this will take quite a long time, about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That'll be quite boring. So here it is. I'm going to stop the speed right here. Just as a reminder, you can work on different things while this is analyzing in the background. Sorry, but right now we have nothing else we can do. Even if we want to add the text, we'll have to place it and etc, etc. So I'm just gonna leave it here to speed up again. Alrighty, so now we are done with that part, and as we play through it, it should show these tracking points, and that is a good thing. And now all you need to do is wherever you want to keep your text, let's say it's right over here, and the good thing in this is as long as that bullseye is getting smaller as it goes further and larger as it comes closer, that's a good sign also. Now what you want to do is right click on where you want to keep your text and create text in camera. So now you want to go down here and click on your text. You can move it around, and I'm going to make this thing stand up. So what I'm going to do is go to the X rotation and make it stand. And let's put this to tester. Alrighty, and the size I guess can be reduced by a little bit. I want to reduce it by a little bit. So now we get this smooth clip. Right now it's sort of rendering in the background, so it is kind of slow. And that is a smooth clip. What we can do is, because right now our clip is so long, it is quite long, 8 seconds, and the text is not showing the whole clip. So what we want to do here is I can sort of like change the orientation. So what I'm going to do is move it back a bit and make it longer. So I'm going to click on this tool. What I clicked was here, and I'm going to make it longer and larger. So now what we get here is this, except it doesn't look as realistic. So let's move back, and what we're going to do again is bring the scale down. Actually, let's change the orientation to straight. For some reason this is kind of tilted, so what I'm going to do is make this 0, and that is straight, I hope. Yep. Now what we can do is change the orientation to be like that, like so. Still doesn't look too realistic, and I'm gonna make that 0. So now what we have here is text, which is all tracked, and it moves along as you move the camera. So now that we have this, we can put another piece of text. We click on our motion original video, and then we click on the 3D camera tracker. Let's add a solid, so I can add any shape that I want. In this case, it's a rectangle. Yeah, I don't want a rectangle, so I'm going to Command Z that. I'll create a text, and now it's laying down on the ground, like so. And what I want to do is flip it around, sort of transform this thing so it's let's make that 0. Let's make that 0. Oops, it's standing up now. Alrighty, so let's make it like so. Alright, and I want it to look as if it's laying down on the ground, so on the driveway, in fact. So what I'm going to do here is sort of turn this, position this in a way it looks as if it's on the driveway. Alrighty, so now let's change the color of the text, because that's what's giving it away. Here we are. Okay. That was just a layer that we opened up. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is since this is giving it away so much, let's change the text to sort of color of the driveway. That's more like it. And now we can move this, and we can sort of just twist it. But I think that is good enough. And so guys, thanks for watching this tutorial on how to make how to motion track text, camera track text. So now all we need to do is add this to our render queue. So go to File, go down to Export, and Add to Render Queue. Now what we need to go is press on Lossless, click QuickTime, and just click it again and press OK. Now what we need to do is go to click on this Output 2, and next to the downwards arrow we click on the motion tracking, and now we can export this to my desktop. And motion tracking 1, I'll just name it that, motion tracking tutorial. Let's name it that. Alright, so now I'm going to save it and press render. Now this is going to render out the whole thing, so I'm going to speed it up because it's taking about half a minute. So alrighty, so we are done, and export took 48 seconds. Now let's close out of After Effects. I actually don't want to save this. Alrighty, so now it is on our desktop, and we just have to open it up, and it's just converting the file. So I'll speed this up also. Alrighty, so now we can save this as an MP4 and motion tracking tutorial, and we will basically reverse it. Sorry, not reverse. We will replace it. And yes, I want to replace. So now we can open up the replaced version of the motion tracking tutorial. And this is the final result. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit a thumbs up and share this to all your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.